Let's make some delicious stuffed mushrooms, an easy, savory appetizer, perfect for any holiday party. Start by removing the stems from your mushrooms. Set them aside and let's make the filling. In a bowl, combine cream cheese, minced garlic, fresh herbs like parsley. And some breadcrumbs for texture. Mix until smooth. Stuff each mushroom cap with the creamy mixture and place them on a baking sheet. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. And just like that, you've got the perfect bite-sized appetizer. These stuffed mushrooms are savory, creamy, and absolutely irresistible.